Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox on PC. First, you'll need to install the Roblox player. Head over to the official Roblox website and download the installer file. Once downloaded, simply run the file and follow the straightforward on-screen instructions. The installation typically takes only a few minutes, ensuring you're ready to dive into millions of experiences quickly and easily. After installing, launch the Roblox player. If you're new, click Sign Up to create your free account. You'll need to provide your birth date, choose a unique username, create a strong password, and select your gender. Once registered, you can log in with your new credentials. If you already have an account, just enter your username and password to access your profile and all your favorite games. Once logged in, you'll see the Roblox home screen, which showcases a vast array of popular games and personalized recommendations. To find something specific, use the search bar at the top. When you find a game that sparks your interest, click its icon to see more details, like player count and descriptions. To start playing, simply hit the prominent green play button. Now for the fun part, playing. Most Roblox games use standard PC controls. You'll typically use the W, A, S, and D keys to move your character around the environment. The spacebar is usually for jumping. Your mouse is crucial for controlling the camera angle and interacting with objects or menus. Remember, specific games might have unique controls, so always check in game tutorials or settings.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.